Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about the personality P Kakkan. He was born on 13th of June 1909 in Madurai. He was well known for his freedom struggle and Dalit rights movement. He was involved in the movements to empower Dalits and the backward class from his youth days. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras province on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues in the assembly like he was of opinion that there should be a joint electorate system as a means to abolish untouchability and eliminated differences. He also spoke on the reservation issue for the scheduled caste. Let's see what he spoke on this particular issue. 30th of November 1948, P Kakkan quote. The government can expect necessary qualifications or personality from Harijans, but not merit. If you take merit alone into account, the Harijans cannot come forward. I say in this house that government must take special steps for reservation of appointments for the Harijans for some years. I expect that government will take necessary steps to give more opportunities in police and military services. For example, in Kashmir, the poor Harijans are fighting with great vigor. I say in this house that Harijans must be given more jobs in this government and be encouraged by the government. With these few words, I finish my speech, sir. So this were his opinion that there should be a reservation for the promotion of Harijans. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.